Hi, my name is Kirsty Smith and I'm the Senior Lecturer and Course Leader on BA Honours Fashion, Media and Marketing at Arts University Plymouth. Our Fashion, Media and Marketing course is a place where fashion innovation meets creative expression. We'll support you as you step into a dynamic industry, blending technology, culture and communication. This course is your introduction to fashion imaging, social media, branding and much more. Our teaching focuses on providing you with an immersive experience that includes everything from hands-on photography and media creation to analytics, market research and art direction. You'll find yourself influencing fashion narratives and styles while you develop your unique artistic voice. You'll have opportunities to work on real-world projects and collaborate with brands. In the past, these have included Vans, Solomon, Size and New Balance. Our students have interned with industry giants like Vogue, Dior Homme and Amazon. We also attend London, Milan and Paris Fashion Weeks, as well as provide students with the tools to gain insights from trend analysts such as Business of Fashion, WGSN and LSN. Our students craft compelling multimedia communications for global brands, combined with teaching from experts and support from technicians in a collaborative environment. Alongside other creatives who share your passion, our aim is to help you build a portfolio of knowledge fit for industry. You'll have access to our state-of-the-art facilities tailored for fashion, media and marketing. This includes cutting-edge photographic studios, a resource centre with over 6,000 pieces of digital and production equipment, labs equipped for professional practice, a collaborative environment designed to foster creativity and innovation. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment. With a dynamic cultural scene including museums, galleries, shopping and indie cafes, as well as stunning natural landscapes, Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living and outdoor adventures. From easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London to tranquil seaside scenery, it's all within walking distance of Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for art into a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future of contemporary art. To find out more about our fashion, media and marketing course, follow the link in the description and be sure to subscribe to our Instagram at @AUP_FMM.